This video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of fake browser update alerts or scary alerts that come from the site Manageoriginalextremelytheproduct.vip. The pop-up says that you need to install some free antivirus to your Windows device. Some other versions of these pop-ups may also tell you to install some updates for the Google Chrome browser, but in reality it is a mistake to interact with these pop-ups. These are fake alerts, fake security alerts or fake Chrome update alerts. Their mission is to actually force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted program. So the site is Manageoriginalextremelytheproduct.vip. It's a long name of the website, but once again it's a fake website, not related to your Windows security and not related to Chrome update notifications. You should disregard these pop-ups. If any unwanted software was mistakenly installed, you need to carefully research the control panel and uninstall any suspicious programs if you find them. Very often such pop-ups are the result of some adware on your computer. We recommend you to additionally research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com uses green download button, install the program and begin researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.